What's up, guys? Anthony, Distributor Service. I got Chris's truck here. Let's turn the light on. You can look around. This late model 05. Hang on. Oh, here we go. Okay, 05. Let's turn the key on. Let's see. I guess it's no start. We did put our intake on it in February. So about 10 months ago, we put our, and I guess it just died on him today. Got a full tank of fuel, is what it's showing. So let's get some screens set up, see if it's fuel, high pressure oil, whatever. We did an oil cooler. If it is an IPR valve or something like that, I mean, sometimes they just go. I mean, it's possible they could just go, but I mean, 10 months later, I mean, if it's IPR valve, you know, we'll just look at it and see. I mean, if there's a bunch of trash on the freaking screen, then hey, I'll cover it, you know. But if it's just clean and fairly decent, just a failure of an IPR valve, then it is what it is, you know. 235,000 miles, 5 Edward boy, so it is an 05. So hang on just a second. All right, here you go. Water and fuel. Come on, Chris. I don't know if the light's on or not. But with that in there, we need to keep draining it. Drain that son of a bitch. Keep it drained. Fan speed, no signal. We'll check that here in a minute. Oh, shit. 1, 4, and 2. Or 1, 4, and 6. 1, 4, and 6 contribution balance. Whoa. 1, 4, and 6. That freaking sucks, man. Battery volt. Oh, don't tell me it's got a dead battery. 1, 4, and 6 contribution balance. It doesn't have crank sensor codes or anything, so I'm going to go ahead and leave the codes, and we'll get the data logger up. Hang on. All right, here we go. Let's kick the key off, kick it back on. We'll look at the FICM. IPR percentage. I'm pretty sure this is a cold start, so I'm going to try to watch everything. I'm just watching through here. Here we go. Check. It's not high pressure oil. That's freaking fuel. That's bad injectors right there. Did you hear it? High pressure oil pumped right up. We got 3 contribution balance codes. Fuel pressure test real quick. First thing. Hang on, let's see. Yeah, that's fuel. That's fuel. Do you even hear the pump running?
Yeah, when you turn the key on, yes.
Is it?
It's ticky.
Really? It's running funny?
Yeah, it's noisy.
All right, so shut her down. Fuel pressure test. Bonus, that's all I wanted to know right there. It's got high pressure oil, so everything's good there. Let's look under the hood. Everything's good with high pressure oil. We're at fuel. I mean, that's fuel or injectors. I mean, oh shit, hang on. Okay, how about this? He's got a freaking coolant leak. It's blowing out of the fucking cap.
Yeah.
But it's also leaking from here. He needs a radiator. He needs a radiator. Yeah, radiator's freaking shot. And you can tell when it's right here, that's not from puking, but who knows if the bottle is even, if it's overpressure. I mean, there's too much coolant in there. The coolant needs to be way down to about the top of my finger. But new degas bottle. I don't know. I'm just looking around with my phone, actually. You guys are just hanging out because you're here. But using the phone as my light. Let's look and see here. Look at that. Our stuff's dry. See it right there? The leak's not leaking. There's coolant all over up here. There's oil there. Oh, that's an oil filter cap or something. You see that? Shit.
It's on the back of the fuel filter tube right there.
Yeah, I see it. And almost like the CAC tube might be leaking. CAC tube is letting blow by go by, leave. But yeah, this radiator's shot. So we need a radiator. I mean, all of that, a lot of that. Obviously, it's blowing out of the cap. We probably got a fucking head gasket issue. But all of this staining and all the crap everywhere, probably from the radiator. So there you go. We'll push it in, do a fuel pressure test. We'll go ahead and get it inside right now. It should be a pretty quick job. Throw a radiator in it, clean it up, and make sure it pressure tests. And fuel, probably got a fuel issue. But we also got 3 contribution balance codes, so don't forget those. Don't take those lightly, because damn it, we don't have the battery hold downs on here. I mean, that's not us, but we gotta put them back, put them on. Probably, who knows. Got a power steering line leaking right there. Power steering line leaking right there. There's that dipstick I was talking about, guys. Dipstick broke. Happens. Cooling fan, no signal. Let's see if it's broke. No, doesn't look like it. I don't know. Radiator, and I'm thinking fuel. I just wanted to know real quick if it's high pressure oil or not, and it's not. So spitting and sputtering like that, that means either fuel pump screwed up. Hopefully fuel pump didn't take the injectors. Hopefully we can get some proper amount of fuel to it, and maybe the damn thing will come back alive. But that's it. All right, guys, have a good day.